Hello, welcome to Pragmatic Training. In this short video, I'll show you how to use, create and related stuff related to JMeter template. So what I'm going to cover in this video is location of the templates and the folder structure, templates types available, updating existing template, and finally customizing a template, or rather creating a customized template. I have started my JMeter. You can access the templates from this icon, or you can go to file or templates. So templates are listed alphabetically. If you want to get your favorite one into the top, for example, every time you are using recording template, you could add A in the top. Let's see how to do that so that it is always in the top. So we will be using these recording template most of the time for recording the HTTP or HTTPS traffic and create the test plan. So you can see that when I select recording, and it is create, and when you have this, you have merge. So there are two type of templates. One is it will create a fresh template test plan for you with all the components, and the second one is used for merging or adding with the existing template, or rather existing test plan. For example, if I have previously created a test plan like this, and now you want to merge JSR template, say bean shell sample like this, so I merge it, so it will come here. So the pre-configured template or the component can be loaded here to the existing one using merge. So there are two type of templates. One is to something like this, where it will create a fresh one, like this. The second one is you can add to existing one like this, bean shell and merge. Okay, it's coming here with the pre-configured. So if there is something that you are going to use over and over, you can create your own template. Let's see where the template files are located. If you go to your JMeter bin directory, and there's a folder called templates. This is the location where you get all the JMeter templates and related configuration. For example, all these JMX files are the predefined templates, and in addition to that, you have this DTD file and template.xml file. Let's see the structure of them. I have opened all those files in my IntelliJ IDEA, and now you can do the editing in any other file as well. If you go to the template.xml is the place where you define all the templates, and whenever you define them here, they will get loaded into your dialog box over here. Let's see how to do some simple changes first and see the effect. So for example, I want to make this recording template as my first one. So let's give this a small trick so that I saved it. Once the saving is done, let's see if I get this, reload the template, and you get your recording template always in the top. So this will be useful since you will be using this one always. The second one, say when we say create, you get these parameters. Let's see how the parameters work and create your own additional parameter. For example, when I say create, say JMeter.apache, this is, I think I have done some little customization. That's why I have this here. Say JMeter and JMeter1 HTTPS and create. These will go here. If you go to HTTP request default, and they are coming here, and the view result tree, you get this one. So let's do a little bit of customization. Say first I want to have the port number, something like that, to change these values, maybe HTTPS domain also here. Since whenever you have HTTPS, this also should come here, right? And let's see how to do that. We'll go to the recording template. See, if you want to add additional parameter, you can define them here. Control D or duplicate it, or you can have parameter. When you say parameter, it's coming key and value pair because it's defining the DTD here. So all the rules are defined here, so that's why it's coming automatically. Say key is say port, say server port, because we have a proxy port as well. Default value maybe we can put 80, right? And save it here, and then in the associated template bin templates recording.jmx. In the recording.jmx, we change this parameter here. Collection properties. So let's copy these things and make this server port. Argument name server port. Save it. And here, if you can sample port, I can define it like this, equal, within the square bracket and equal sign, give the val like this. So likewise you can define it, save it. Let me go back to JMeter and see the effect, and go to new test plan and reload for save site and create, and you can see that the default port is coming. So let me change it to different value, 80, and click create, and you can see it is there. And over here also it's there. Likewise you can customize your existing templates. Let's see creating your own template. Finally, you can go to templates directory and start with template. When you press enter, all structure will be created. Say if you want to create it true, it will consider as a test plan. If you say false, you can merge, you can create a merge element template. So let's create a template, say name my first template. So let's give A so that it will be in the top. File name, you can give the location, you can give from bin directory. So this time I'm going to use same template. What you can do is you can create your own template and place it here. This is my custom template, and you can see this all the HTML tags and create your better template. And also, of course, you can define your parameters and do it, but in this case I will leave it without anything. So save it. Go to templates and you have to reload it. And my first template is coming because it's in the top, because of create. And this time since I did not define the scheme, it didn't come over here. So if you want to get them again, what you can do is go here and define the parameters. Save it. Go back to JMeter. Reload. Reloading is required, and interestingly, you don't have to do any restarting of JMeter this time. Say create. So this time the values are getting generated. So template is a useful feature, and you can do the recording and work with JMeter efficiently with this feature. Hope you enjoyed this session, and we'll meet you from another session. Thank you very much.